Peace family, welcome to our Tuesday analysis. So let's analyze NASDAQ. So on weekly we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4-hour. Okay, so on a 4-hour we have this zone right there. So let's go to hourly. Okay, so we had this resistance support area, and then we hit this double bottom, and then we broke this support area. We came to test this support area. Now became became our support area. I was about to say resistance area. So what I'm going to look out for is we also have this zone right there. Okay, let me take this up. In fact, let me just bring it back. Okay, so right there we have a resistance area, and then right here we have a support area. So what I'm going to look out for, if there's a possibility that we can break, retest, and then continue with the overall trend. So my potential TP is going to be right there. And then if this doesn't happen, then there is a possibility that we can retest this area and then continue with the overall trend. So that's my analysis for NASDAQ. And then let's go to GBPJPY. Then on a weekly, let me just zoom out this. So on a weekly we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4-hour. Then let me just blow up this so that everything can be clear. Okay, so on a 4-hour, what I'm seeing this zone right there. Let me just tuck this somewhere up to there. Okay, let's go to hourly. So what I'm going to look out for is a potential break and retest. Then potential to be going to be right there. And then if this doesn't happen, then there's a possibility that we can see like a double top and then potential up to there. So that's my analysis for GBPJPY. And then let's go to EURJPY. Then on a weekly, geez, for EURJPY, you've been consolidating around here. That's hectic. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then on 4-hour, okay, let me just pull up this again. So on a 4-hour, what I'm seeing this zone right there, and then let's go to hourly. So on the hourly, what I'm going to look out for is a break, retest, and then continue. And then my potential tip is going to be right there. And then if this doesn't happen, then there is a possibility of a double top and then a potential sell, and then my potential TP is going to be right there. Okay, and then let's go to gold, and then on the weekly, so right here on weekly we are on a downtrend, and then this is happened because due to what is happening in the Middle East, that war that is happening. So geopolitical war or conflicts does have a huge impact on the market. So on a 4 hour, what I'm seeing currently is this zone right there, and then let's go to hourly. Okay, so what I'm going to look out for is the market to come around these areas, then a potential sell. Okay, so that's my analysis for gold, and then let's go to euro, and then on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on a downtrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. Then let me just block this. So on a 4 hour, what I'm seeing this zone here, and potentially even here. So let's go to hourly. Okay, so if the market is buying, then there's a possibility of a break, retest, then a potential tip is going to be if it breaks right here, right there. Okay, and then if the market decides to sell, then there is a possibility that it can just drop potential up to there. So that's my analysis for EURUSD, but due to the dollar being bullish, I'm more lean to the downside. Let's go to USDJPY, and then on a weekly, for USDJPY, it seems like we don't see any ceiling yet. So on a weekly, yeah, on a downtrend. So what I was expecting is something like this. If we have reached our ceiling, but it seems like we're still continuing with the overall trend. It seems like we're still pushing to the upside. So let's go to our 4 hour. Okay, so what I'm seeing currently is this trend line pushing to the upside. This is being my support. And then let's go to hourly. Nope, hourly. Let me just adjust this. Okay, so there's a possibility that we can see a push to the upside, and then my potential TP is going to be excuse me, right there. So that's my analysis for USDJPY. And then let's go to GBPUSD. And then on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on a downtrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So on a 4-hour, what I'm seeing this zone right there. And then let's go to the hourly. So if the market is buying, then we can potentially see a break, retest, and then continue with the overall trend. And then my potential TP is going to be right there. And then if the market is selling, then you can see what I'm going to expect is a huge drop to the downside, potential up to there. So that's my analysis for GBP USD tapping.